how to make grilled chicken wings with chef lettuce. First, we're going to dry off the chicken wings, add in some melted butter. We're going to go ahead and toss those together. Next, we're going to want to make a mixture of baking powder, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. This will help with the crust. And we'll go ahead and pour that in the chicken wings. Toss those all together. Next, we'll throw them on the grill at approximately 235 degrees, 250, somewhere in there. Leave those on for 30 minutes and flip them every 30 minutes. Took me about 2 hours or so. Flipped them about 4 times. This was the first time I flipped them, compared to the 4th time I flipped them. Really nice golden color on those. Came out super crispy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see next.